Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change chat settings in Among Us. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how to change your chat settings inside of Among Us so that you can play games with your friends who might have their chat settings set to free chat. Because you can't use both at the same time. So the first thing you gotta do is go into your account settings and link your Steam account so that it can connect to the Among Us servers. And you have an official Among Us account. And then once that's done, you can go to online play and go to create a game, and you can change your game chat settings. Here under chat, type from quick chat to free chat, and this is actually just your overarching settings for your entire game client. And then you should be good to go, and you can join whatever game mode you want, with free chat enabled. Now the difference between free chat and quick chat is like quick responses. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.